What is up, OBX people? Back out here again, 2 weeks in a row. My wife was with me on this one, so I didn't do what I normally do. We went to breakfast at the Dunes, which was delicious. We used to go there and eat the buffet all the time years ago before they stopped doing it. And then we went to this little place called Sea Green Gallery in Kildelva Hills. My wife loves this place. I don't know if you guys have ever been there before, but it's really neat collection of stuff in there that for your house or cottage or whatever. And if you go there, you definitely got to go out back and see the outdoor area. They have this neat little boardwalk outside, and just go check it out. You can see the shots that I put in the video here. But then we stopped in at Wave Riders so my wife could get a coffee and some drinks to take with us home. And that's it. We have the dogs with us, so we walked the dogs on the beach. And I did get the sunrise, as you have already seen. But hopefully I can go get a time lapse of the sunset before I quit for the day. Hopefully after I say this, there will be a sunset time lapse. While I was rambling earlier, I forgot to mention that we went to Mania as well. I'll insert that footage here. And then there will be a sunset because I'm here.